אני אוהבת ללמד אתכם את השפה העברית, which means I love to teach you the Hebrew language. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Holy Land Travelers channel. I am Shella. So for this video guys, kung nakikita nyo sa title ng ating vlog for today, this is a continuation of Hebrew tutorial kasi na-check ko yung aking Hebrew tutorial and that was 3 months ago. So gusto ko na siyang dugtungan and para yun magkaroon kayo ng karagdagang kaalaman kung kayo into Hebrew language. So for this video guys nga pala, 5 Hebrew verbs lang yung i-share ko sa inyo kasi para hindi humaba ng sobra yung ating video and para hindi naman kayo mainip, di ba? So bago tayo mag-umpisa guys, magdi-disclaimer muna po ako na hindi ako native speaker ng Hebrew language. So for sure, yung pagkaka-pronounce ko ng kanilang Hebrew words ay hindi ganun ka-eksakto. So pagpasensyahan nyo na po, but I will try my best naman na i-pronounce yung mga Hebrew verbs na yun as precise as I can. So kung kayo into Hebrew language and gusto nyong matuto kasama ko, then please keep on watching. So ito na guys yung ating scratch. Sinulat ko na yung ating pag-aaralan for today. And ayun nga, 5 infinitive verbs lang yung i-share ko sa inyo. And hatiin natin siya from past, present, and future tense para mas marami kayong kaalaman dito sa lengguaheng ito, okay? So umpisa na tayo. Yung ating first Hebrew verb is the word to write. So ano yung to write in Hebrew? So to write in Hebrew is liktov. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang past tense is katavti. 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 Okay? Yung ating present tense is kotev, kung kayo ay male speaker, and kotevet, kung kayo ay female speaker. So, ulitin natin. For male speaker, it is kotev. For female speaker, it is kotevet. Okay? Yung ating future tense naman is ektov. 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 Okay? So, magbibigay din ako sa inyo ng example, and ito siya. Ahafti liktov miktavim kshaiti naara. So, ulitin ko, ahafti, liktov, miktavim, kshaiti, nara. So, yung kanyang English translation would be, I loved writing letters when I was a teenager. Ahafti, liktov, miktavim, kshaiti, nara. Okay? Now, yung ating second Hebrew verb is the word to wear. So, ano yung to wear in Hebrew? So, to wear in Hebrew is lilbosh. 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 Yung kanyang past tense is lavashti. 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 Yung kanyang present tense is lovesh for male speaker and loveshet for female speaker. So, ulitin ko. Lovesh for male speaker and loveshet for female speaker. And yung kanyang future tense is elbash. 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 Okay? Now, proceed tayo dun sa ating example and ito siya. Ani ohevet lilbosh pijama. Milo. So, ulitin ko ulit. Ani ohevet lilbosh pijama. Meaning, I love to wear pajama. Ani ohevet lilbosh pajama. I love to wear pajama. Okay? Now, yung ating third word is the word to go or to walk. So, ano yung kanyang Hebrew translation? So, to go or to walk is lalekhet. 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 Okay? Now, yung kanyang past tense is halakti. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang present tense is holech for male speaker and holechet for female speaker. So, ulitin ko ulit. For male speaker, it is holech. And for female speaker, it is holechet. Okay? Now, yung kanyang future tense is elech. 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 Okay? Now, proceed tayo dun sa ating example and ito siya. Ani ot sa lalekhet litayel. Meaning, I want to go to a trip. Ulitin ko. Ani ot sa lalekhet litayel. I want to go to a trip. So, yun yung kanyang English translation. Okay? So guys, kung meron kayo naririnig na ingay, pagpasensya nyo na, bigla kasi may ginagawa kasi yung building sa likod. So, hindi na natin maiwasan yan. And gusto ko na rin tapusin ito. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po. Lalakasan ko na lang talaga yung aking boses. Okay, yung ating fourth one is the word to teach. So, ano yung to teach in Hebrew? So, to teach in Hebrew is lelamed. 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 Okay? Well, yung kanyang past tense is lemaditi. 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 Okay? Yung kanyang present tense is melamed for male speaker and melamedet for female speaker. So, ulitin ko. Melamed for male speaker and melamedet for female speaker. Yung ating present tense is alamed. 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 Okay? Now, yung ating example dito is sakto sa ating video and ito siya. Ani ohevet lilamed otchem et השפה העברית. So, ulitin ko ulit. Ani ohevet lilamed otchem et השפה העברית. Meaning, I love to teach you the Hebrew language. So, ulitin ko. Ani ohevet lilamed otchem et השפה העברית, which means I love to teach you the Hebrew language. Okay? Now, yung ating fifth and last Hebrew verb for this video is the word to learn. So, kung meron tayong to teach, meron din tayong to learn. So, ano yung to learn in Hebrew? So, to learn in Hebrew is lilmod. 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 Yung kanyang past tense is lamaditi. Lamadeti. Lamaditi. Yung kanyang present tense is lomed for male speaker and lomedet for female speaker. So, ulitin natin. For male speaker, it is lomed, while for female speaker, it is lomedet. Lomedet. Okay? Now, yung kanyang future tense is elmad. 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 So, yung ating example is ito. Ani rotsa lilmod ek linagen begitara. So, ulitin natin. Ani rotsa lilmod ek linagen begitara. Which means, I want to learn how to play a guitar. So, ulitin natin. Ani rotsa lilmod ek linagen begitara. Which means, I want to learn how to play a guitar. Okay? So, that's all for this video, guys. I hope kahit papaano meron kayong natutunan ng panibagong Hebrew words. And kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, then please don't forget to subscribe. And wag mo na rin kalimutang itap yung notification bell para ma-notify ka every time na meron akong upload na video. And bago ko i-close yung ating vlog, so gusto ko munang i-shoutout yung iba kong mga co-YouTubers dito sa Israel. And I hope mag-subscribe din kayo sa mga channel nila. Kasi kung gusto nyong makita ang kagandahan ng Israel and yung mga buhay namin dito bilang mga caregivers in general. So, yun nga, makikita nyo yun sa mga channel nila as well. So, gusto kong i-shoutout, unang-una si Sis Abelantoban. So, yung kanyang channel ngayon is pinalitan niya ng pangalan, which is Abiti. So, I hope mag-subscribe kayo sa kanyang channel kasi talagang nakakatuwa yung babaeng yun. So, sis, kung nanonood ka, talagang alam mo yun, isa ako sa mga fan mo. So, keep pushing and keep uploading lang ng mga videos kasi talagang inaabangan ko. So, next is yung aking isa sa mga closest friends. So, yung kanyang channel is G's Adventure. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa screen yung lahat ng kanilang mga YouTube channel para madali nyo silang isubscribe and para makita nyo agad. So, I hope you will find this video a motivation and alam mo yan, inaabangan ko din yung mga videos mo. Matagal ko na sinasabi sa'yo na mag-upload ka na. But take your time kung kailangan mo. But yun, inaabangan ko nga. So, I hope mag-upload ka rin as soon as possible. So, next is early win. So, kung gusto nyong makita rin ang kagandahan ng Tel Aviv, iikot niya po kayo sa mga hotel dyan. So, yung mga nag-apply dyan sa Pinas bilang hotel workers, so, mag-proceed kayo sa channel ni Bro Early Win kasi talagang very detailed yung kanya mga videos about hotel workers and, of course, about caregiving as well. And, ang last na gusto kong i-shoutout is si Sis Ems Emita. So, mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya kasi talagang marami kayong matutunang mga information from editing, from pagpapatayo ng bahay, from buhay dito bilang isang caregiver. So, lahat na. So, mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya kasi yung kanyang channel ay nakikita ko naman na isa siya sa mga fast-growing YouTubers here in Israel and talagang kinakarir po niya and talagang nakita ko dito sa taong to na napaka-dedicated niya. So, I hope mag-subscribe kayo sa channel niya. And, ayun lang muna for now and tatapusin ko na talaga yung ating vlog kasi baka humaba siya ng bonggang-bongga and ayun nga yung ayaw ko mangyari. So, ayun nga guys, thank you so much for your time and I hope makita ko pa kayo next time. Bye!